Welcome to Green Beauty Chemist. In today's video, I will share with you 8 safety tips you should employ when using essential oils. According to research, essential oil toxicity is one of the few causes of allergies among children and adults each year. As natural as they are, they can be toxic if used improperly. Let's explore 8 safety tips to employ when using essential oils. Do not use essential oils near fire. Most common essential oils such as tea tree and lavender have flash points of up to 150 degrees. A flash point is the lowest temperature at which a liquid can vaporize into air, forming a mixture capable of igniting. Do not use undiluted essential oils. Using raw essential oils can cause permanent skin sensitization, which means becoming allergic to that particular essential oil. Aromatherapy expert Marge Clark recently shares a personal experience that serves as a great cautionary tale. She shares how she used undiluted lavender oil on broken skin and now suffers from contact dermatitis, a skin sensitivity reaction, if she comes into contact with any form of lavender. Reduce sun exposure when using essential oils. Sunlight and high temperatures are known enemies of essential oils, especially those of a citrus nature. They can increase your skin's sensitivity to sunlight, causing you to burn faster and more severely. Experts recommend you should wait at least 5 hours after using essential oils before exposing your skin to the sun's ultraviolet rays, otherwise you will redden and burn your skin. Label your essential oil bottles appropriately. Common sense mandates that you should know what is in each dark-colored bottle in your essential oils cabinet, both for safety and ease of use. If you have 10 bottles of different essential oils in a cupboard somewhere and you are searching for lavender, you do not have to open a number of them before getting to the lavender. Don't use essential oils near the eyes and genitalia. Think of the kind of irritation isopropyl alcohol can cause in a deep cut next time you are considering handling essential oils without protective eyewear or without clothes on. They are especially irritating on mucous membranes and can cause burns in the cornea, which is the transparent part of the eye. Don't use essential oils on children without adult supervision. Wanting your child to safely have that famous baby smell is probably something most parents want, and essential oils can help create that. But parents and caregivers should remember that when preparing a blend for a child, essential oils should be doubly diluted. For instance, instead of using 2 drops of essential oil in a mixture, you should only add 1 drop of essential oil in a mixture. Don't ingest essential oils except after consulting with a physician or a qualified aromatherapist. Take note that even safe essential oils such as cassia, black mustard, sassafras and wormwood can have toxins capable of causing adverse effects if not administered in moderation and with common sense by avoiding ingestion. Do not ingest any essential oil without consulting with a trained aromatherapist. For more cosmetic formulation safety tips, join us at stablecosmeticformulas.com. Thanks for watching.